Winchester. We're gonna plow into this thing. It's pretty solid. It's a hard gel block. We got our simulated heart right there. Now this would probably be like a doe, 10 inches or so wide. Deer aren't as wide as you think. Depending on where you're at, on average they're anywhere from about 10 inches to 14, 15 inches wide, maybe 16 on the big ones. Really wide. This is about 10.5 inches right here. So this would be about like a doe. I guess I went low on the 223 on the Winchester, so I'm going to try a second shot on this block. That Hornady was impressive. Extremely. I shoot to the right of it. Well, we definitely got it. Let's go take a look. There goes my heart, breaking in two. There go my eyes, crying over you. All right, here we go. This is another impressive shot. We do have a clean all the way through. Let me show y'all. The right is the Winchester, and the left is the Hornady, right there. And we are snug in the first pair of jeans. A good, solid lead slug. That's awesome. Take this back to the house and take a look at this stuff. All right. Hornady, Winchester. Look at that in there. That's amazing. We blew the rest of the heart. There was solid clay still in there. And now it's an empty cavity. The deer has no chest. And look at that. That is pure destruction going through. That on a doe, hell yeah. There you go, right there. The exits of both of them coming out. Now the Hornady did go downwards at the end, but the Winchester, as y'all see, that is a flat line straight across. That bullet did not stray whatsoever. That flight trajectory, that flight path, that's amazing. That is absolutely amazing. You see the little burn hole in there. Look at that. Back with the Winchester PowerPoints 223. We're at 64 grain. These are a soft point. We dropped down to 49 grain with an expansion of 0.519, which is pretty good. Top to bottom was a 0.303. And y'all seen that it had a good flight trajectory through that gel. Didn't stray straight shot line through it. A lot of power distribution. That is a good. These are definitely one of the best shrooming bullets I've come across in 223. Right there. So if you're looking at using 223s for deer hunting, I would definitely give these a shot. Right there. You're gonna get penetration like that. That was looked like about a dose. Would be about a doe. You're definitely gonna get full penetration on it, I would say. And on the bigger bucks you might not, but you'll definitely get that heart. So there you go. PowerPoint 223.